What's up? Storm's over, but there's just a little bit of rain. Just a tad bit of sprinkles. Yeah, that's what's going on. But I just wanted to let you guys know that the storm's over. And yeah. But it was scary. There were like quarter-sized pieces of hail that were smacking against our window. It was scary. I'm surprised it didn't break our window. If it did, that'd be scary. That'd be so scary. And then we'd have to pay to replace the window.
That's what insurance is for.
Yeah. But anyway, guys. Yeah, we're in Florida. We're in Jacksonville, Florida. That's our destination, and yeah. I'll check in with you guys in the next video. But until next video, guys, peace.